Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School.
Applause for our wonderful, brilliant HIS students.
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को जर्रा है तू, लोहे का छर्रा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह।
Now it's time for the formation. Hold your seats, hold your breath. Our boys are going to make a surprising formation for all of us. Let's see what is next hidden in their treasure event of the circle drill.
Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School.
मेरे साथ की मेहनत का है ये असर, मेरे सलमान सर, मेरे अयूब सर। मेरे साथ की मेहनत का है ये असर, मेरे इस्माइल सर, मेरे इरफान सर। ऐ खुदा इन पे हरदम हो तेरी नजर।
Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad.
It was a wonderful drill presented by our students. The drill was really awesome. We have enjoyed your each and every movement, and the last but not the least formation you did have left a remarkable memory on the field. Very well done, students. Now we have the guard of honor ready. I request all our dignitaries to please proceed for guard of honor, and we have our honorable chief guest of the day, Mr. Muhammad Alamdar Saab, who is the Dabirpura Councillor. We welcome you, sir, with a huge round of applause. Please accept the token of honor and bless us for the successful day throughout the day. Now, without any further delay, I request our esteemed founder and chief executive officer, Mr. Muhammad Sadiq sir, our co-founder and chief operating officer, Mr. Muhammad Salman sir, our respected branch director of Khilwat, Mr. Muhammad Ayub sir, esteemed director of Chadarghat branch, Mr. Muhammad Ismail sir, honorable director of Santosh Nagar branch, Mr. Muhammad Irfan sir, and our powerful lady director of Baradari branch, Ms. Naushin Zahid ma'am, along with our honorable chief guest, to please join the guard of honor. I also takes up the privilege to invite the senior teacher member, Ms. Abida ma'am, to join the guard of honor along with all the dignitaries, where on the field our students with the captain, vice captain of the school, president and vice president of the school, along with the all house captains and vice captains, is waiting to escort our dignitaries in the guard of honor. It's a privilege and honor to announce for me and to invite our senior DTA member, Mr. Mesher sir, to please proceed for the guard of honor. Here on the field, our captains are leading with a flat march past. The audience, please welcome the dignified panel on the field where we have our founder and chief executive officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, and our respected co-founder and chief operating officer, Mr. Mohammad Salman sir. We have our pillars of HIS group of school, our esteemed director of Kilwood branch, Mr. Mohammad Ayub sir, our honorable director of Chadargarh branch, Mr. Mohammad Ismail sir, and branch director of Santosh Nagar, Mr. Mohammad Irfan sir. Indeed, a powerful lady director of Baradari branch, Ms. Nausheen Zahid ma'am, with our senior GTO member, Ms. Abida ma'am and Mr. Mesher sir, along with our honorable chief guest, Mr. Alamdar Saab, who is the Dabilpura Councillor. We welcome you with the guard of honor, where our captains are escorting near the flag hoisting ceremony of this school. Here we start, here we go. To raise the flag of Hyderabad Islamic School on the field. All the very best students, it's an honor and privilege for all of us to witness this moment today. Now it's time for the flag hoisting by our esteemed Founder and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, who is hoisting the flag of Hyderabad Islamic School. Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir, for this flag hoisting ceremony, where all the dignitaries are doing the ceremony of flag hoisting. We take a moment to honor one of our most cherished traditions, the Grand God of Honor, along with our flag hoisting ceremony. We have pigeon flying. Excellent moment we are witnessing today, where we have all our dignitaries in one panel, along with our school captain, vice captain, school president and vice president. All our house captains and vice captains have taken all our dignitaries for the flag hoisting ceremony with our honorable chief guest of the day with the due respect.
Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School.
We are really proud of you all students. It's a really wonderful flag hoisting ceremony we have witnessed today. Very well done students. We really thank all our dignitaries for joining in the guard of honor and doing the flag hoisting ceremony. It's a pride moment for Hyderabad Islamic School, Dabilpura branch, to witness this flag hoisting ceremony.
Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School, Hyderabad Islamic School. हैदराबाद स्कूल सबसे जुदा सारे गुलशन में फूल सबसे जुदा.
It's my absolute pleasure to welcome you to our annual sports day. Today we stand together to celebrate the power of sports in building character, fostering discipline and uniting us all. God of Honor is a symbol of discipline, integrity and passion. This is the hard work of our students since last 2 months they were doing. We really appreciate entire team who have trained our students wonderfully for executing each and every step smoothly today on the field.
इंजीनियर बनो, डॉक्टर भी बनो, पढ़ के बच्चों यहाँ बाहुनर भी बनो, दीनों दुनिया के तुम राहबर भी बनो.
It's a delightful moment to witness the pigeon flying by all the dignitaries.
Hyderabad
Wonderful. Please give a huge round of applause. Now our students are ready. Are ready with our dignitaries, where we have our esteemed founder and chief executive officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, our honorable co-founder and chief operating officer, Mr. Mohammad Salman sir, esteemed director of Khalwat branch, Mr. Mohammad Ayub sir, respected director of Chadar Ghat branch, Mr. Mohammad Ismail sir, and our lady director of Baradari branch, Ms. Nausheen Zahid ma'am, along with our esteemed DTO member, Ms. Abida ma'am, and Mr. Meshar sir, along with our honorable chief guest, Mr. Alamdar Saab, the Birpura councillor, is coming near the stage where our captains are ringing with the due respect in the guard of honor to escort on the stage for the wonderful opening ceremony of the day. We welcome all our dignitaries and to bless us for the successful day throughout this event. Please accept the token of honor and gratitude and bless us for smooth full running of the day. Thank you boys, thank you captains, thank you vice captains. You have done incredible job today. Without further ado, let's begin the March Past ceremony now.
Leading the way in this magnificent profession of our esteemed flag bearers carrying the school emblem high and proud. The emblem, a symbol of excellence, integrity, and inspiration. Remind us of vision and mission we strive for every day. Behind them, we have the pride of our school, our house teams, marching in perfect rhythm, each step echoing their determination, dedication, and teamwork. Each house represents a unique blend of qualities and values, which inspire us to aim higher and work harder. Now, let's meet our vibrant house one by one.
Saffron House. The first to march are the unstoppable members of the Saffron House. The color saffron represents courage, strength, and determination. And the students of this house wear it with the immense pride. As they approach with the synchronized steps, notice their confidence and poise. Each stride symbolizes their unwavering resolve to conquer any challenge that comes. The Saffron House is known for its reliance, bravery, and ability to lead from the front. Their motto, Dare to Dream, Strive to Achieve, perfectly captures the spirit. They believe in the setting bold goals and working tirelessly to turn their dreams into a reality. With every march, they remind us all the importance of the courage in achieving the greatness. Let's give them a big round of applause for the dedication and determination.
All our students are escorting on the field with a forwarding march past with the crew of captain leading with the Saffron House, White House, Green House, and the Blue House. Well done, students. Your discipline and integrity is today reflecting on the field. This is your hard work, what you did since last 2 months. Very well done.
Next, we have the scenery at dynamic White House, a house that embodies peace, purity, and unity. White symbolizes harmony, and students of this house reflect these values not just in their steps today, but in every door they undertake. As they approach Notice the precision in their movements and grace with which they march. This is house that believes in the power of teamwork and collaboration. The synchronized streets are a powerful reminder that when we stand together, we can achieve the impossible. Their motto, "Together we stand, divide we fall," reflects their belief in the strength of unity. Whether on the field or off, the White House demonstrates that true success is achieved when we work hand in hand, supporting one another. Let's hear it for the White House, marching with harmony and pride.
Greenhouse. Now approaching is the illustrations. Greenhouse. A greenhouse that symbolizes growth, wisdom, and perseverance. Just as the color green represents life and renewal. The students of this house bring an unyielding determination to grow, learn, and achieve excellence. Notice the disciplined movements and discuss expressions. Every step they take reflects the commitment to the constant self-improvement and the desire to leave a positive impact where they go. The greenhouse is guided by the motto, "Knowledge lights the way." They believe that education and wisdom are the keys to success, and their perseverance is the foundation of the great achievements. Their strides today are the testament to their relentless pursuit of the excellence. Let's applaud to the greenhouse for the inspiring display of the discipline and focus.
We now have energetic and spirited Blue House, known for their passion, creativity, and boundless enthusiasm. Blue, the color of sky and the ocean, reflects their limitless ambition and deep sense of imagination. Watch as they march with vibrancy and energy, their head held high and their steps beaming with confidence. The Blue House believes in pushing boundaries and thinking beyond the ordinary, embodying a spirit of innovation and passion. Their motto, "Dream big, aim high," perfectly captures their outlook on life. They encourage us all to dream fearlessly and to pursue those dreams with relentless energy and dedication. The Blue House inspires us to see challenges, opportunities, and to strive for greatness in everything we do. Let's give a thunder round of applause for the Blue House and their incredible spirit.
Here it's an honor and privilege to welcome our honorable chief guest, Sri NNSV Venkateshwara Rao, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Mirchak Division, Hyderabad. It's an honor for us, sir. It's an honor for us to welcome our honorable chief guest of the day, we welcome our chief guest of the day, very well done, students. You have done a great march past drill showcasing today. It was an honor to watch you all, and you have done a great job. It's a hard work indeed of last 2 months. Dedication and synchronization was perfect. It's an honor. It's an honor and privilege to welcome the chief guest of the day along with us here. We welcome with a huge honor our ACP of Mirchok, Mr. Venkateshwara Rao Saab, and our Inspector of Police and Ranbazar PS SHO, Mr. Ramesh Nayak. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Please, sir, accept the token of honor and bless us for the successful day throughout the event.
As the houses make.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, mercy and blessings of Allah be with you. Myself, Muhammad Asif Murtaza from class 10. On behalf of all the students, I will like to take this opportunity to thank our management, Mr. Sadiq sir and Mr. Salman sir, and our branch academic supervisor, Mr. Mehraj ma'am, academic coordinator and teachers. Thank you for creating such a supportive and inspiring environment where we can learn, grow and dream big. Your vision make all of this possible. To our teachers, thank you for your endless dedication, guidance and care. You do not teach us a lesson from book, but lesson for life. We are truly grateful to have such a wonderful team shaping our future. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. That's a wonderful speech. Let us proceed with. I request Sadiq sir, Salman sir, Irfan sir and Mehshar sir to please join us here on the field. I request Sadiq sir, Salman sir, Irfan sir and Mehshar sir to please join us here on the field. I request Ismail sir to join us here on the field, please.
We request our esteemed founder and chief executive officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, honorable co-founder and chief operating officer, Mr. Mohammad Salman sir, along with our branch director of Santosh Nagar branch, Mr. Mohammad Irfan sir, and esteemed DTO member, Mr. Mehshar sir, to please join the students on the field for the surprising guest of honor. Over to you on the field. Also, I request our respected Chadarghat branch director, Mr. Muhammad Ismail sir, along with our honorable chief guest, Assistant Commissioner of Police Mirchok, Mr. Venkateshwara Rao sir, and also the Inspector of Police and Ranbazar Police Station SHO, Mr. Ramesh Nayak sir, to join the students on the field for the due respect.
I request Chadarghat and Khilwat branch directors, Ismail sir and Ayub sir, to please join us here.
We request respected Director of Khilwat Branch, Mr. Mohammad Ayub sir, and Honorable Director of Chadarghat Branch, Mr. Mohammad Ismail sir, to join the field along with our dignitaries and chief guest. Please parents, welcome our dignitaries with a huge round of applause.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके दिखा कमाल वो आके ज़मीं पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशियाँ 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 शाबाशियाँ।
सच होने की खातिर जो सपने कीमत मांगेंगे, जाग के रातें कीमत भर देना। जब नजदीक से देखें तो खुशियों के आंसू आए, तू नजरों को वो मंजर देना।
A heartfelt thank you to our Honorable Chief Guest and our esteemed Founder and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, for taking part and receiving the gesture of gratitude from our students. We also thank our all dignitaries. Sport marching started on the field. Sport marching is a symbol of the dignified personalities which helps in flexibility, mobility and strengthen the muscles, which also help our students to get this immune system very fast.
As the houses make their ways across the field, let us take a moment to appreciate the hard work and effort that has gone into perfecting this display. Each step is the result of countless hours of practice, and each movement reflects the pride they feel in representing their houses. As the Grand March As the Grand March first concludes, let us come together to applaud all the participants for their incredible performance. You have not only impressed us with your precision.
After the wonderful march pass, now it's time for the felicitation of our Honorable Chief Guest of the Day. I request our esteemed Founder and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, to please come forward to felicitate our Chief Guest, Mr. ACP of Meer Chowk, Mr. Venkateshwar Rao Saab. Sir, please come forward and accept the token of gratitude by our esteemed Founder and Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, is going to felicitate our Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Meer Chowk, Mr. Venkateshwar Rao Saab. Sir, it was an honor to have you today. You have given your precious time from your tiring schedule. We were truly blessed by your gracious presence. Thank you, sir, for giving your valuable time to us. We also takes up the privilege to do the felicitation of our another chief guest, Inspector of Police of Rain Bazar PS SHO, Mr. Ramesh Naik Saab. Please, sir, accept the token of gratitude and appreciation. It was really wonderful to have you along with us today. Next, we have our honorable chief guest, Mr. Alamdar Warajai Hussain Saab, who is the councillor and corporator of Dabirpura. We really thank you, sir, for taking out time for Hyderabad Islamic School Annual Sports Day today. We were thrilled to have you. Your blessings and your presence matters a lot today to us. Here we have our esteemed founder and chief executive officer, Mr. Mohammad Sadiq sir, felicitating our chief guest. I request Mr. Mohammad Ayub sir to join the felicitation of our honorable chief guest. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you all the chief guests from the bottom of the heart. We really thank. Announcing, sir. Sir, we have here special category award students of PP. Parents are shouting, it seems. Can we felicitate them, please? Now we have here Now here on stage we have our PP category award students on the stage. I request our esteemed